chillin' on the rooftop. Came a long way from the boondocks. And I grew up on that Tupac, so I rock California love in my boombox. The crew was too hot, locked behind bars, diplomas with moonshots. But still your boy hit stars. Went to school lot, but not as much as he spit bars. Split lives, not including the sex drive. 2 wives, the music and the jet life. Travel bug, got her moving with the check signs. Soundtrack to the movie of the best times. P.S. I know I'm blessed. Never had an S on my chest. Simply invested in myself so much that a brother almost burned out. Life, live it right now. Never been the type to get tied down. That's why I'm on the map trying to evolve. You can bet I'll be back when the beat drops.
It ain't about where you've been, it's all about where you're going. Even when shit gets hard, I'ma be back tomorrow. It ain't about where you've been, it's all about where you're going. Even when shit gets hard, I'ma be back tomorrow.
Forget about the gangster shit, forget about the money in the bank for a bit. Think about all the places you've been, the people you've met, how they changed how you live. Everywhere you go, you carry the world with you. With those that came before, very deep within you. Living in the future, we forget it all the time. We stand on the shoulders of ancestors and giants. I ain't lying, I'm praying I feel the weight of my privilege. So I'm soaking up game every day of my pilgrimage. I tell myself, you the shit, but you ain't shit special. Because I'm on the stage, you put me on a pedestal. Fame will do a number to your ego. I'm just trying to stay humble with the people. Put the guns down, bring the peace out. Everybody get free when the beat bounce.
It ain't about where you've been, it's all about where you're going. Even when shit gets hard, I'ma be back tomorrow. It ain't about where you've been, it's all about where you're going. Even when shit gets hard, I'ma be back tomorrow.
She give me love like don't leave yet. I was already on the next jet. South Paulo tomorrow for my birthday, but I can't lie, holidays were the worst days. Never feel alone when I'm with you. I wrote 100 songs while I missed you. Still I left you, but you can trust that. No matter where I go, I'ma come back. I'ma come back. I'ma come back. You can trust that. No matter where I go, I'ma come back.